From immortal creatures that never die, to insects that can survive a nuclear explosion, to the birds that remember human faces for decades. Welcome to the wildest ride through 50 unbelievable animal facts, and I promise by the end you will never see animals the same way again. Fact number 1. The octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills while 1 pumps it through the body. Surprisingly, the heart that pumps to the body stops beating when they swim. That's why they prefer crawling. It is less tiring and saves energy. Fact number 2. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Sloths can slow their heart rate and hold their breath up to 40 minutes. Dolphins, by comparison, manages about 10 minutes. This amazing ability helps sloths stay underwater and hidden from predators. Fact 3. Cows have best friends. Cows form strong social bonds. Studies show when separated from their chosen best friends, cows get stressed and their heart rates and stress hormones rise. When reunited, they calm down immediately. Fact number 4. Flamingos get their color from their diet. Flamingos are not naturally pink. They eat shrimp and algae, which contains carotenoids that turns their feathers pink. Without this diet, they would appear gray or white. Fact number 5. Sharks existed before the trees. Sharks have been on Earth for over 400 million years. Trees appeared around 350 million years ago. That means sharks survived multiple mass extinctions and outlasted even the first forest. Fact number 6. A shrimp's heart is in its head. The shrimp's heart is located in its thorax near the head. This unusual placement helps circulate blood efficiently in their tiny bodies. Fact number 7. Elephants can hear with their feet. Elephants detect low-frequency vibrations through the ground. These vibrations can travel miles, allowing elephants to sense distant thunderstorms or the movement of other herds. Fact number 8. Frogs can freeze solid and come back to life. Some species, like a wood frog, can survive being completely frozen. Their heart stops, breathing ceases, but once temperature rises, they thaw and hop away as if nothing happened. Fact number 9. Penguins propose with pebbles. Male Gento penguins search for the smoothest pebble to impress a female. If she accepts, they build their nest together. It's a mix of romance and survival strategy. Fact number 10. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping. Sea otters float on their backs and hold each other's paws while sleeping. These floating rafts keep them together so they don't drift apart in the water. Fact number 11. Giraffes' tongues are black. Giraffes' tongues can reach up to 20 inches long. The dark purple or black color protects them from sunburn while they eat leaves from tall trees. It's nature's built-in sunscreen. Fact number 12. Pistol shrimp snap bubbles hotter than the sun. Pistol shrimp snap their claws so fast they create cavitation bubbles. These bubbles collapses with a shock wave, stunning prey. The tiny explosion briefly reaches temperatures as hot as the sun's surface. Fact 13. Axolotls never grow up. Axolotls stay in their larval stage their whole lives. They can regrow lost limbs, part of their heart, and even part of their brains. Scientists study them to understand regeneration. Fact number 14. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop. This helps mark territory without it rolling away. Scientists discovered their intestines compress feces unevenly, forming perfect cubes. Fact 15. Starfish have no brains. Starfish lack a central brain. Instead, they use a nerve big around their body to coordinate movement. Amazingly, they can regenerate lost arms and in some cases grow a whole new starfish from one arm. Fact 16. Parrots name their babies. Parrots' parents give each chick a unique call, like a personal name. Other parrots recognize these calls, which helps identify individuals within the flock. Fact number 17. Blue whale tongues weigh as much as an elephant. A blue whale's tongue can weigh over 3,600 kgs. That's the same as an elephant. Despite their massive size, blue whales feed on tiny shrimp like krill. Fact number 18. Ants never sleeps. Ant does not have a traditional sleep cycle. Instead, they take hundreds of micro naps throughout the day, keeping the colony running 24/7. Fact number 19. Komodo dragon have poisonous saliva. Komodo dragons' mouths contain venomous bacteria. Even if prey escapes, the bacteria and the venom can cause infection and death hours later. Fact number 20. Male seahorses give birth. Seahorse male have a pouch where female deposit eggs. They carry the eggs until they hatch, sometimes giving birth to over 1,000 babies at once. Fact 21. Crows can hold grudges. Crows have incredible memories. They can recognize human faces and remember if someone harmed them. They even teach other crows to avoid that person. Fact 22. The immortal jellyfish. This jellyfish can revert its cells back to a juvenile stage after becoming an adult. Essentially, it avoids death under certain conditions, earning it the nickname immortal jellyfish. Fact 23. Koalas have fingerprints like humans. Koalas' fingerprints are so similar to humans that even under a microscope they can be mistaken for ours. They help koalas grip tree branches effectively. Fact 24. Dolphins give themselves names. Dolphins develop unique signature whistles like a personal name. They use these calls to identify and call each other across vast distances in the ocean. Fact number 25. Crocodiles can hold their breath for an hour. Crocodiles slow their heart rate to just 2 or 3 beats per minute underwater. This allows them to stay submerged and ambush prey without surfacing for long periods. Fact number 26. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet. This helps them detect whether a plant is suitable for laying eggs, ensuring their caterpillars have food immediately after hatching. Fact 27. Ravens can solve puzzles better than some children. Ravens are highly intelligent. In experiments, they use teamwork and planning to access food. Their problem-solving abilities rival those of 5-year-old children. Fact number 28. Hippo's secret pink sweat. Hippo's skin produces a reddish secretion that looks like a sweat. It acts as sunscreen and antibacterial protection, keeping their skin safe in the sun and the water. Fact 29. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. Owls have specialized neck bones and blood vessels. This allows them to twist their heads almost completely around without cutting off blood flow. Fact number 30. The mantis shrimp has the world's fastest punch. Mantis shrimp strikes with the speed of a bullet. Their punch can break aquarium glass and even generate heat and light underwater. Fact number 31. Bats are the only flying mammals. While many mammals can glide, bats are the only ones capable of true flight. Their wings are essentially elongated fingers covered with a thin membrane, giving them incredible maneuverability in the air. Fact number 32. Male penguins stay with the eggs for months without food. Emperor penguin fathers balance the eggs on their feet in freezing temperatures while females hunt at sea. They can lose up to half their body weight before the chick hatches. Fact number 33. Kangaroos cannot walk backward. Their large muscular tails and long legs prevent backward movement. This is why kangaroos are symbols of forward progress, even appearing on Australia's coat of arms. Fact number 34. Dogs can smell diseases. Trained dogs can detect cancers, diabetes, and even viral infections like COVID-19. Their sense of smell is up to 100,000 times more sensitive than human. Fact 35. Axolotls can regrow their hearts. Beyond limbs, axolotls can regenerate part of their hearts, spinal cords, and even part of their brains. Scientists study them to unlock regenerative medicine possibilities for humans. Fact 36. Camels have 3 eyelids. 2 eyelids have lashes, and the third is a thin, clear membrane. This protects their eyes from sandstorms while still allowing them to see. Fact number 37. Some sharks glow in the dark. Species like lantern shark produce bioluminescent light. This helps them camouflage in deep waters by blending with faint sunlight above, hiding from predators and prey. Fact number 38. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists discovered honey in Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old, and it was still edible. Bees make honey extremely low in water content, preventing bacteria from surviving. Fact number 39. A snail can sleep for 3 years. When conditions are too dry, some snails enter hibernation, sealing themselves inside their shells. They can remain dormant for years until rain returns. Fact number 40. Giraffes sleep about 30 minutes a day. Giraffes take very short naps, often standing up, usually lasting only few minutes at a time. Sleeping little helps them stay alert and avoid predators in the wild. Fact number 41. Octopuses can taste with their arms. Octopus's suckers contain thousands of taste receptors. This allows them to taste whatever they touch, helping them identify prey or detect toxins without using their mouth. Fact number 42. Sea cucumbers can eject their internal organs. When threatened, some sea cucumbers expel their guts to distract predators. Amazingly, they can regenerate these organs within weeks. Fact 43. Star-nosed moles have the fastest touch sense. Star-nosed moles have 22 tiny fingers on their noses. They can detect and eat prey in just 8 milliseconds, making them the fastest eater in the animal kingdom. Fact 44. Pistol shrimp stun prey with sound. By snapping their claw, pistol shrimp creates a bubble that collapses with a shock wave. This can temporarily stun or kill nearby prey, making them tiny underwater marksmen. Fact 45. Horses can sleep standing up. Thanks to a special stay apparatus in their legs, horses can lock their joints and doze while sleeping. They lie down only for deep sleep. Fact 46. African grey parrots can understand numbers. These intelligent birds can count, identify colors, and even understand the concept of zero. Their problem-solving and learning skills rival those of 5-year-old children. Fact 47. Leafcutter ants are farmers. Leafcutter ants do not eat the leaves they harvest. Instead, they use them to grow a fungus inside their nest, which is their actual food. They are some of nature's earliest agriculturists. Fact number 48. Dolphins have unique signature whistles. Each dolphin develops a personal whistle that works like a name. They use it to identify themselves and call others, showing sophisticated social behavior. Fact 49. Electric eels can generate 600 volts. Electric eels use specialized cells called electrolytes to stun prey or defend themselves. This voltage is enough to knock down large fish and even deter humans. Fact number 50. The lyrebird can mimic almost any sound. Lyrebirds imitate chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, and other birds. They do this to attract mates and confuse rivals, making them the master of audio deception. And there you have it, 50 amazing animal facts that show just how incredible, strange, and mind-blowing the nature world really is. Which work surprised you the most? Comment below, and if you want part 2, tell me in the comments also. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because the animal kingdom has even more secrets waiting for you in our next videos.